Hello lovelies! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's episode, we will be reviewing Mark Makeup by Avon. I have the Mark Nude Matte in the shade Shell. I have this lipstick, wow, so nice, in the shade Chocolate Treat. I have used the Mark brand for a couple of times already, so this won't be a first impression. Right now, my skin condition is oily and I have lots of acne and dark spots. I'm not going to put any primer, but just moisturizer. This is a nude matte fluid makeup with SPF 20, 30 grams. It says, to use blend evenly for smooth, natural looking coverage. So, well, I like full coverage makeup, but this would be natural. Okay, this is very, very runny. As you can see, very runny. This would be the first layer, and it seems I'm not getting any coverage with this one. Very visible discoloration on my face. It can get patchy. See, no coverage at all. No. I can say that this foundation would be perfect for those who have really great looking skin. If you have sensitive skin with breakouts, this foundation won't do any justice for your skin. But as I'm layering more foundation on my face, I really cannot feel that this is a heavy foundation. It's just very, very light on your face. As I'm putting on this foundation, you can see dry patches on my skin. And definitely, dark spots are still peeking through. This is with the third layer of foundation. And as they've said, it's just natural looking coverage. Usually, using this flat top foundation brush, it would yield more coverage compared to a beauty sponge, but doesn't packing any coverage on my face. And with just one layer of foundation, the product is getting into my pores. It just gives my face more brightness, and it says that it's matte, but if I'm going to move my face here, you can see there's a little bit of shine or dewiness happening. About 3 layers of foundation, not really much of a coverage, redness still peeking through, dark spots still peeking through, and it will settle on your pore area, like my cheeks and in my nose. So far, what I've put on my face is the Mark Fluid Foundation, and I've set it with a powder, did my eyebrows, and contoured a little. Let's go on with the eyes. This is the eyeshadow, and it says here that you can use this dry or wet. This comes with an applicator and a very, very tiny mirror inside. I'm going to use this. Wow, it shows off really nice. It has pigments. Going to take that eyeshadow for an added shimmer. Wow. I like these eyeshadows because they are pigmented and blendable as well. Although they have like shimmers, but it's really good looking shimmers, not too overwhelming. Let's put this for the inner corner. I love it that it's compact and you can build colors that's not too overwhelming, and this is one good looking smoky eye. Now we're going to use this big graphic. It's like a pencil pen. Whoa! So dark. It's like a pencil pen. It could drag a bit on your skin. I'm used to a soft tip brush. This one could get a bit overwhelming. But that's so black. You could use this pointed tip or the slanted one. It can get a bit rough on your skin since it's like a felt tip type, but it's stiff. So, ouch! You have to be a bit careful using this one. Use small strokes only. And now for the lipstick. This is the first lipstick infused with primers. When you say primer, the lipstick color would be more brighter and it won't settle on your lips, on the line of your lips, and it will supposed to feel a bit moisturizing as well. Oh, glides easily, very easily. It's as if there's a conditioner inside this lipstick. Wow, this feels so comfortable on my lips, and it's not like you could feel there's a lipstick on, but like a lip balm only. So if you're the type of girl who likes a light wearing lipstick, this would be perfect. And the color payoff, wow, very amazing. There is my review and demo on how to use some of the MARC products by Avon. And here are some takeaway points. Using the fluid makeup, make sure to moisturize your face, or if you have a primer, put on some primer so that it won't settle on your pores. When using the eyeshadow, a little goes a long way. You won't have any problem using this one. Blending is such a breeze as well. For the eyeliner, it could tug your skin a bit, so just use small strokes when using the big graphic eyeliner. And for the lipstick, this is such an ease because just one swipe, the color is there. The color payoff is very strong and it's really good on your lips too. Please like this video and do not forget to subscribe.